Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply shake and ghost effects with only one click on CapCut. So to be able to do this a trick or edit, you need to be on the CapCut Pro. So if you're not, you need to buy the CapCut Pro first. So what you guys need to do is just add your clips and then click on the clip that you want to add the ghost shake effect, and then just go to animation, and here click on the smoke animations under the in category. Then just adjust the durations to how much you like. For example, I want to set it for 0.6 seconds, and if you want you can also apply it into another clip like this. And just like that, you are done with the ghost and shake effect, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.